Neglected trees in the windbreak are turned to gold. At the touch of a Woodcracker C550 from Westech, this architect of green spaces not only frees fields from unnecessary shadows and water-hungry giants, but also gives all the other trees in the field nourishment, bringing balance back into the ecosystem. With its help, every pruning, every cut becomes a contribution to the future harvest, making the harvesting process something magical. The Woodcracker C550 is a feller, buncher and a true giant among tree shears, effortlessly handling the task of harvesting trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. Designed to work efficiently, both in tunnels and in the open air of quarries, the Fontini machine is an engineering marvel. Whether you're faced with hard or abrasive material, the Geo 70 Special guarantees perfect cutting of all types of stone, except granite. Its cutting capabilities are impressive. Horizontal up to 32.2 feet, vertical up to 20.3 feet, with a maximum depth of cut up to 10.5 feet. Plus, with its electric nature and hybrid motor option, for increased mobility, the GU 70 Special is easily customizable to meet the unique needs of each project, demonstrating unmatched versatility and efficiency. Wagner 2WD log stackers are the optimal choice for those who value reliability, economy and productivity. Their new cab, with improved visibility and increased comfort, makes longer shifts less tiring and more productive. The unique three-wheel steering allows the machine to maneuver easily, even in the tightest of conditions, reducing the risk of damage and lowering operating expenses. Additionally, the absence of a center pivot and rear drive axle not only eliminates unnecessary maintenance expenses, but also improves fuel efficiency, making these models the ideal choice for more economical and efficient operation. Have you ever wondered how important it is to maintain trees along transport and railway routes? This is critical to maintaining infrastructure and ensuring smooth train service. In this task, specialized Woodcracker machines come to the rescue. The Woodcracker Model T4000 telescoping platform and Woodcracker Model CS510 gimbal grapple are ideal for this type of application, providing quick and safe removal of trees and branches, preventing potential accidents and damage. It's not every day you see someone cut through rock like butter, right? Well, the Echidna from Stubble Plus KL does just that. With such a powerful rock cutting saw, the rock work becomes a work of art. The tool doesn't just cut the rock, it does it with such precision and efficiency that one can only marvel and just think, friends, how many new possibilities the Echidna opens up for construction and landscaping. Meet the sawmill, a true hero among woodworking equipment. No matter how big the wood is, this machine does an impressive job, delivering a perfect cut in minutes. This not only accelerates the production process, but also significantly reduces physical effort of workers. Now you can focus on product quality and design, while the sawmill does the heavy lifting. The 3400 TurboSaw RS redefines efficiency in land clearing. Equipped with an innovative dual-axis boom, this powerful tool provides professionals with flexibility never seen before. Imagine a boom that not only swipes sideways by 5 feet, but also spins 90 degrees, all under your direct control. With TurboSaw RS you have an arsenal of options. Cut a tree at the root, carefully remove excess branches, or divide fallen giants into portions. All safely done from the cockpit. Add to that the exclusive stump grinding disc, and you have a tool ready to become a legend on any terrain. Meet the milling giant, the TG7000 tub grinder from Vermeer. This machine not only boasts a powerful 1000 horsepower Cat engine, but also an impressive milling tub that effortlessly turns wood waste into mulch. With the TG7000, your wood recycling work will become not only more efficient but significantly faster. How about making the recycling process as exciting as the most ambitious construction projects? Watch as a Dapin screening bucket turns ordinary work into art. This incredible screening bucket is the ideal tool for separating materials on construction and quarry sites. With its help, you can easily separate soil, stones and other materials getting the desired fraction. The Depon screening bucket is equipped with powerful hydraulic systems and a sturdy design, allowing it to handle the most complex tasks. The Icebreaker Porthammon Cutlass is a true hero of winter waterways. In the harsh frost when the river is covered with a thick layer of ice, its work becomes key to the functioning of the entire port. Portham is equipped with advanced technologies for cutting ice, allowing it to easily handle the task, ensuring the safety and freedom of navigation. Each voyage is a masterclass in management and power, jointly demonstrating the importance of this vessel for maintaining the port's life in winter. The Big Floaty 15 is an excavator that is capable of working on both land and water thanks to its optional pontoons. This amphibious behemoth is 50 feet long and 15 feet wide and has passed stability tests, proving its reliability and stability. With a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, it performs tasks that other technicians cannot handle. Looking at it, you get the impression that it could participate in a ballet of excavators on the water. So who's ready for a show of underwater heroes? Meet Big Crab, your new best friend in underwater construction. This multifunctional underwater excavator is capable of performing a wide variety of tasks thanks to its attachments. You can use it to significantly reduce construction time and increase site safety. Big Crab allows you to perform underwater work quickly and efficiently, turning difficult tasks into simple solutions. Forget about long and time-consuming projects. With this machine, underwater construction becomes easy and safe. Komatsu has unveiled a stunning piece of equipment, the latest MC51 continuous hardwood miner. This model breaks rocks with ease and precision. Equipped with an all-electric zero-emission system, this machine automates the rock crushing process. Using Dynacut technology, the MC51 can cut rock within 2.16 inches of the intended target, allowing the operators to work from a safe distance while controlling the process remotely. Efficient cutting movements under robotic boom promise a revolution in internal construction. In this video, all the advantages of the self-propelled spraying machine series, Porsche leaves 6.300 to 7.300 points, are presented in person. The first of these is the stainless steel tank with a capacity of 7,400 liters. The ergonomic front cabin of the class brand is also worth highlighting, as well as stability and comfort, thanks to the cross-connection at the level of the suspension system, which avoids the phenomenon of rocking back and forth. This equipment has a powerful 310 horsepower FPT engine, equipped with 3 variable flow pumps, one of which drives the oversized motor wheels, whose power has been increased by 30% compared to previous models. And most importantly, you get reliable and precise application, thanks to the proven horse boom. And what's more, the machine has an automatic nozzle change system that ensures quality spraying, regardless of travel speed. The MD500 helicopter with AirSop is one of the best tools for pruning trees in the right season. With this unusual technique, excess branches, especially those interfering with power lines, in any cooperative can be cut efficiently. The 30-foot row of circular saws is mounted on a 100-foot boom that hangs vertically from a helicopter, and it looks quite spectacular. It looks a bit like an electric trimmer you might use to cut hedges, but much more. You can see a masterpiece of farm equipment from ETS, the leader in strip till and fertilizer application. Why should this equipment be on your farm? Because the manufacturer of this equipment sets new standards in efficiency, increasing soil productivity and your income. Each machine is built for the maximum, from performance in the field to unrivaled durability and ease of operation. See how easily and efficiently it works to improve soil health and provide all the nutrients your soil needs. Video from Tucson, Arizona, shows the spectacular demolition of an old bridge to pave the way for a new construction. Several powerful track vehicles with movable booms and hydraulic shears take on this task. Watching the work is truly an impressive sight. Every move of the high-tech giants is carefully coordinated for precise and rapid destruction. Words really can't convey the complete picture. It's better to see it with your own eyes. Cat High Technology presents something exciting. Mini hydraulic excavators that can be operated from the comfort of your armchair. Yes, you heard right. Imagine you're in safety and comfort while your trusty iron friend is digging and moving loads on the construction site. These track babies are equipped, the latest in technology, allowing you to operate them remotely. When ordinary loaders seem small, the Caterpillar 993K appears the true star of marble quarries. This giant, with 16-foot diameter wheels and 618 horsepower, simply tears apart mountain ranges, loading up to 14 cubic yards of marble at a time. With a Caterpillar 993K, you don't have to worry about large volumes of work. It handles a task as if it has no competitors. Get ready to be amazed by the scale and power of this monster, which will turn tough work into an easy walk. The Mazda Broke 2015 is a drainage trenching machine that's a true master of precision and productivity. Equipped with the powerful Cummins QSB 4.5 engine, delivering up to 160 horsepower, it can dig trenches up to 5 feet deep and 18 inches wide. This machine has an improved hydraulic system for more efficient and precise work, and the GPS navigation system ensures perfect trench positioning, an indispensable tool for large-scale land works. The Master Brook 2015 also features a self-leveling cabin for optimal operator comfort and reinforced chassis for extended operation in harsh conditions. Imagine making the process of firewood production not only easier but also more enjoyable. That's where the Typhoon RCA 330 Joy and Fun Wood Choppers come in. Powered by an electric motor or tractor PTL, this equipment turns a tough job into an easy task. With an electric motor power of 11 kilowatts or the ability to connect to a tractor of 30 kilowatts or more, there's no task the Typhoon can't handle. Logs from 0.16 to 1.08 feet in diameter can be easily processed into logs from 0.66 to 1.31 feet long, and then split into perfectly sized firewood. And what could be better? At Site-Fi 2021 they presented a new product, the X10 XPN, which is an improved version of the XPS model. This electric weeding monster is ideal for those who deal with narrow vineyards. AI. You know, you don't just have a machine here, but your own personal gardener who keeps everything in perfect order. If you think taking care of your vineyard is a headache, see how the Extend XPN takes everything into its own hands, or rather into its mechanical paws. At the port of Corpus Christi, Texas, you'll find an eMag scissors grab attached to a Libra LPS 550 crane. Weighing 40,785 pounds and having a volume of 150 square feet, this grab specializes in handling dry bulk materials. Is designed to provide optimal performance in environments or fast, inaccurate unloading is required, such as imports. eMag scissors not only speeds up loading and unloading operations, but also minimizes the risk of damage to materials during handling. This makes it an indispensable tool in the bulk cargo transportation process, improving efficiency and reducing operating expenses for port operations. In just 8 months in 2011, Versabar designed, manufactured and tested the Claw subsea lifting device. Pressured by an offshore operator to develop a solution that minimized diver exposure, the Claw was designed to lift topsides from the seafloor with minimal underwater training. The two identical units are 122 feet high, 112 feet wide and weighing 1,000 tons each. Operated by the VB10000 system, these giant steel jaws can operate independently, or intend them to lift heavier loads. Special cradles serve as a base to lift fragile structures to the surface without additional loading. The versatility of the Claw's design allows it to be customized for each project, providing quick and efficient recovery. How can you experience full control over the transportation of long timber? DAL offers the answer: self-driving trailers that turn transportation into an art form. Whether you choose the 2-axle or 3-axle version, your load up to 72 feet will be safe and under control. With the state-of-the-art CAN bus system and adaptability to any chassis, these trailers play by your rules. And the crane, it's not just here for loading. With the multi-telescopic adapters, it opens up new horizons of use. So friends, are you ready to become a master of wood logistics, where every trip becomes a masterpiece of convenience and versatility? Meet the Kaiser S2 4x4 Cross Spider Excavator, a master of multi-terrain. This machine is equipped with a revolutionary four-wheel drive transmission, allowing it to easily adapt to any surfaces, be it rocks, dirt, or sand. Thanks to a unique suspension system, each wheel can independently adjust to unevenness, making the Kaiser S2 the perfect choice for working in hard-to-reach places. With such capabilities, the Kaiser S2 can perform work that was previously inaccessible to traditional excavators. Have you ever imagined a truck pulling 6 attachments at the same time? Meet Hexatrim, a truck that runs around farms and transports heavy timber, hauling up to 200 tons per trip. Our Volvo FMX was designed for heavy-duty applications, and in this case towing 6 semi-trailers. It's equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. The engine here is a D13 engine with 540 horsepower, which retains power while providing the best balance of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. Immerse yourself in history with Tree Crusher Highlights, a unique series of shots from old 16mm film. These images bring back to life an ancient, mechanical wonder machine, the Tree Crusher, designed and built by the great engineer R.G. Letourneau in the 1950s. More than just a nostalgic look back in time, these images demonstrate the power and innovation of the early days of forestry mechanism. An alternative, silent solution for vibration-free baling can be the use of a telescopic driving unit, equipped with an RTG MPC 770 hydraulic press. This technique has a 360-degree tracked base, to which the telescopic mast is attached. The installation of a hydraulic press with a downward force of up to 80 tons allows the steel sheet pile to be pressed into the ground without vibration. The sheet piles are installed in panels of 4 at a time. The downward pushing force requires an equal and opposite reaction force. Most of this reaction force is created by the combined weight of the rig, downward hydraulic force, and the friction of the panel against the previously installed sheet piles. As a pile panel penetrates, surface friction between the reaction piles and the soil becomes a key factor in developing an adequate overall reaction. Meet Robot One, your new agronomic ally. In the world of smart agriculture, equipped with 14 depth sensing cameras and a dual GPS antenna, this advanced robot is the ideal solution for cultivating large-scale farmland. With its help, regenerative farming becomes a reality, as its work improves soil fertility, reduces erosion, and promotes biodiversity. Robot One guarantees soil health and increased crop yields thanks to its ability to adapt to any condition. Thanks to its unique elbow wheel and tool arrangement. With the robot's precise crop handling and effective weed control, any farm will become a model of sustainable and highly efficient farming. Meet your new helpers in logging, the TM12 and TB900. These high-performance wood-splitting units are designed to handle large diameter logs. The TM12 can process logs up to 47 inches in diameter, while the TB900 is perfect for logs of up to 35 inches. Imagine how these powerful machines quickly and easily turn huge trees into neat logs now. Wood processing would be simpler and faster thanks to advanced technologies and the high power of these units. Dreaming of a mower that not only covers a 31.1 foot width, but also transforms your field into a work of art? Meet the Disco 9700, a giant among mowers. Designed for maximum meals of up to 60 tons per hectare and neat swathing. The new active float system ensures that even on difficult terrain, every bit of ground is perfectly tilled. The double drive of the roller conditioner and the optimal crop flow make this machine unbeatable in the care of green forage. Experience in your own field How Class Engineering Solutions turns conventional harvesting into a high-tech process. Because of the Disco 9700 RC Autoswather, your farm will step into the future of agricultural technology. If you thought agricultural work couldn't be fun, you haven't met the Krone ZX. This super collector of everything that can be picked up from the ground will surely become the star of your field. With the Krone ZX, each loading is like starting a new season for your favorite series, always intriguing and never disappointing. From the powerful engine to the comfortable cabin, every aspect of this machine is thought out, to the smallest detail, to ensure the harvest is collected quickly, efficiently and with pleasure. And if it works in tandem with UpToGrass 28, then work is pure pleasure. Imagine our nation's largest tractor and rock crusher in action. With a 600 horsepower engine and a working width of up to 20 feet, this giant turns any rocky soil into fine crumbs. Operating at speeds of up to 3 miles per hour, it tackles the toughest jobs in the field. The rock crusher easily crushes rocks up to 12 inches in diameter, leaving behind perfectly prepared soil for seeding. How about a machine that knows how to make your life easier? The Certa 40 Integral from the Wolf is not just a seeder, but a new best friend in the field. This agronomic virtuoso is equipped with an innovative, precision seeding system and large 15-ton seed and fertilizer hoppers, allowing maximum work without reloading. The smart dosing and distribution system ensures that each tuber is planted with perfect accuracy, not just sowing, but creating the future of your harvest. With a Certa 40 Integral is like having a magic wand for your potato business. There's no need to sacrifice quality for speed. If you have the Automate 8300, this combine is specially designed for precise and gentle leaf crop harvesting, equipped with a system that allows processing of up to 6 rows in one pass. With the ability to adjust the cutting height, it ensures careful handling of each plant, maintaining the air integrity and quality. The powerful engine of the harvesting combine provides reliability in operation, and its design makes maintenance simple and economical. This combine will become a valuable asset to your farm, helping to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. Need a tool that makes handling heavy tires easy and safe. Konecranes Tire Handler SWL is exactly what you need for efficient work. This unique machine, designed for maximum performance, simplifies the loading, unloading and transportation of large tires, making the process fast and convenient. With this machine, handling oversized tires becomes easier than ever, thanks to thoughtful economics and powerful hydraulics. At the Port Garden Pier in Nagoya, a grand demonstration took place that did not leave a single spectator indifferent. Under the watchful eye of the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism, the Grab Dredra Go show from Kojima Gumi Company Limited demonstrated its incredible power. This monster, recognized as the largest in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records, raised entire masses of water, leaving spectators in complete awe. April 2017 will be remembered as the moment when the Kosho dredger raised the bar for records. Welcome to the world of demolition. XXL presenting to you an excavator with a telescopic manipulator, 249 feet long, holding the title of the largest excavator installation in Europe. This giant easily grasps buildings, demolishing them to the ground, and showing that scale matters. Get ready to see how demolitions become more massive, and small details cease to exist. If impossible tickets don't stop you, then the 44-inch all-terrain deck attachment for the Alto Switch is your faithful ally. Transform your equipment into a fearless machine for challenging terrain. Thanks to dual spindles working in unison, even the thickest bushes will be powerless against your determination impact. No problem, because the 4 pivoting blades know how to soften surprises. Hydraulic height and angle adjustment allows for on-the-fly adaptation. And the durable steel construction ensures that your investment will last forever. Volvo Trucks has announced that it has broken 2 world records. The company built a powerful truck, especially for this purpose, and named it Iron Knight. It broke the first records. A 546 and 1,093 yard launch. Iron Knight is based on the FH model, with his modified quad-turbo engine D13. Swedish engineers managed to reduce the weight of the vehicle to 4.5 tons. The engine develops a maximum output of 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 Newton-meters of torque. Meet the high-performance duo in peat harvesting. The Superloader Mary Pete 16 Hong Kong dollars and 50 cents and the Pete Trailers TRL 30F. The Mary Pete 16 Hong Kong dollars and 50 cents, equipped with a revolutionary loading technology, can instantly fill trailers, each capable of holding up to 30 cubic meters of peat. Thanks to this tandem, the peat harvesting process becomes not only efficient, but surprisingly smooth, like a dancer on stage. The 16 Hong Kong dollars and 50 cents confidently maneuvers across peat fields, making heavy work almost an art. Meet the HEMA 16 ST, your new ally in the fight to keep your ditches clean. This cleaner turns a chore into a breeze, using the power of water to clear vegetation and specialized star rollers to prevent stagnant water. The ability to choose the number of rollers allows you to fine-tune the machine to fit any requirement. Not only can you use it to clean ditches, but you can also control the waste output by spreading it on the ground or stacking it neatly along the slope. The tool features adjustable width from 24 to 47 inches, a hydraulic spreader, and a convenient transport mechanism with 180-degree swivel casters. The HEMA 16 ST makes stitch maintenance simple and efficient, providing the perfect solution for any task. Forget about the difficulties with mixing slurries. With a mixer from Wholesale Kimbaha, you can confidently handle everything, from biogas to liquid manure. With a maximum swing radius of up to an impressive 121 feet, this unit easily copes with any layers, whether sinking or floating. And all this thanks to its flexible boom, making the process not just efficient, but also spectacular. Just think. Your biogas plant or slurry tank will now function like clockwork, thanks to such a powerful solution from Wholesale Kimbaha. Cool, right? No. Everett is once again defining the future of agricultural technology with Meteor Active, a trail sprayer that combines innovation and functionality. With his advanced design and compact frame, the sprayer promises high efficiency and ease of operation. With Delta Force booms up to 118 feet, or Pommier aluminum booms up to 148 feet, the technique provides a wide range of applications. Integration with auto-terrain and active slant systems ensures precise terrain following, while a unique load transfer system optimizes performance even in the most challenging conditions. With the new PPI continuous circulation system and the smart 7-inch command box display for control, the Meteor Active sets new standards in spray. The X-Power XPA is an innovative solution for controlling weeds and excess vegetation in roadside areas. This state-of-the-art machine not only keeps roadside areas efficiently tightly, but also does so with minimal environmental impact. The side-mounted lawn mowing attachment makes the machine the ideal choice for keeping hard-to-reach areas clean and tidy. You can see for yourself how the cool machinery works. On the livestock farm of Mounts Lazaroms Oxblock, life has become easier thanks to the magic of technology from Peters Group with their fantastic Lazaroms XP Con series. These machines are not just equipment, they're like faithful friends, always ready to help and simplify routine tasks. The choice is wide, and every farmer will find something to their liking. Why waste time and effort when you can invest in a reliable iron helper and watch the work almost to itself? At 1,263 feet long, the Ocean Farm is an innovator in fish farming, combining technology and environmental awareness. The farm's innovative design allows it to withstand the extreme weather conditions of the high seas, while providing ideal conditions for fish life. The constant current and clean water promote better fish health, making for better quality products. The sustainable design minimizes environmental impact and reduces emissions, making the farm a model of sustainability. A number of companies are developing autonomous feed mixer models, and among them is Strautmann, which has introduced its all-electric 3-wheeled, in-house designed 41 cubic foot, 3-wheeled feed mixer. The Verde Feed 1251 is a new self-propelled, 400-volt battery-powered, 40 kWh self-propelled feed mixer, with 2 electric motors to drive the mixer, and hydraulic units. The market launch of the new Strautmann Verde Feed 1251 electric feed mixer is scheduled for the middle of the current year 2024. When real heroes are needed in the field, the New Holland T7.315 HD, PLMI and Big Baler 1290 high density step onto the stage with 315 horsepower under the hood. The T7.315 HD not only handles the work, but dominates it. And with the intelligent PLMI control system, you can operate this giant with ease. The Big Baler 1290 HD creates perfect high-density bales, ensuring maximum space utilization and excellent height quality. Think about how great it will be to see the neat, dense bales fully ready for storage and transport. Such a powerful duo is the perfect solution for those who want to turn every day on the farm into a productive adventure. In Thailand, leading construction company ITD is revolutionizing the mining process at the Memo mine, with the introduction of 2 innovative Barracuda rotary excavators from ThyssenKrupp. These powerful machines, designed to operate 372 miles from Bangkok in Lumpang province, can handle up to 18,000 tons of rock every hour, optimizing overburden removal, transportation and dumping. The new technology promises to significantly reduce operating costs and emissions, minimizing environmental damage by avoiding blasting and the need for separate loading. This innovation not only improves efficiency, but also supports environmental safety in the region. Get a behind-the-scenes look at an outstanding construction project at a ski resort near Telluride, Colorado. This video shows how the TC50 was used in 2 key areas to prepare the area for interior concreting of a mega residential building. In just 3 days, a team of workers laid nearly 1,000 yards of gravel, demonstrating exceptional efficiency and organized work. This project is not only technically challenging, but also impressive in its scope and speed of execution. If you've been looking for a way to retire, the TZX 225 from Palazzani Industry is your ticket to the stratosphere of work. This lift can soar to heights of 225 feet, making everything from facade painting to tree trimming as simple as a walk in the park. Don't worry about space, its compact design allows for maneuvering in tight spaces, making the inaccessible accessible. So are you ready to rise above the ordinary and add height to your projects? The TZX 225 is already waiting for the command. How about making the harvesting and transportation of apples something like science fiction? With a Kissin Transporter KT20, it's possible. Imagine, instead of tedious work in the garden, you just direct this powerful transporter to the trees, and voila! The apples are neatly collected and ready for transport. This miracle machine not only saves your time and effort, but also ensures the safety of each apple. So are you ready to speed up the harvest and make it easier than ever? Let me introduce you to the Movax SG, which is sure to be the star of any piling project. This machine doesn't just work with piles, it does it with an elegance and efficiency that few people can match. Thanks to its advanced control system, the Movax SG can precisely control the piles, ensuring perfect installation without unnecessary damage to the ground. Whether you need to work with reinforced concrete, wood or steel piles, it gets the job done, making the entire work process as easy as possible. When it comes to threshing grass seed, Lewin and Hunter's Frederick Bekoyan knows no equal. Imagine the power of a John Deere 2266 Extra combine that gets the job done with ease. With a JD 820 cutter bar that's nearly 27 feet wide, this green monster handles even the largest fields with no problem. Its 255 horsepower engine and capacity of up to 20 tons per hour make it a true giant among combines. Every time it passes through a field, you can hear the seeds falling into the hopper like a harvest melody. The roller bar 230 extends raking width up to 30 feet, providing tremendous capacity to reduce the number of passes needed to get the job done, thereby increasing overall efficiency and productivity. It's ideal for rickying swabs, produced by self-propelled mowers, with heads up to 19 feet wide and center pivot mocos. The Rollover 230 is easy to adapt to the field and crop conditions. You can change the height and tilt to the basket with a simple turnbuckle adjustment, and the intuitive control box allows you to make changes on the go without getting out of the tractor seat. Plus, using the red and blue buttons on the control box, the Rollover 230 folds to a width of 10 feet, 8 inches for easy maneuverability and confident transportation to your next location. The Mengele SF300 Combine Harvester is the benchmark for convenience and efficiency in the agricultural industry. Don't be surprised, but in addition to its compact dimensions and clever design, the machine is capable of delivering excellent results in the field. In the latest version, this machine is equipped with a rear hopper, which increases its capacity and simplifies the harvesting process. In addition, the integration of 4 weight sensors allows for accurate measurement of the weight of each corn cephalaria, which is an invaluable plus in precision farming. With these innovations, the SF300 not only delivers high productivity, but also provides farmers with accurate data for yield analysis, making each season more predictable and profitable. Meet the VMM310 from SNPC Private Limited, the pioneer of fully automatic brick making. This machine is revolutionizing the industry by producing 12,000 bricks per hour on wheels like a car. The VMM310 stands for economy and ecology. It reduces labor and water consumption by a factor of 3, making the process not only fast but also sustainable. The bricks produced are 3 times stronger than conventional bricks, and the cost is reduced by 45%. With the flexibility to use mud, clay, or a mixture of clay and fly ash, the VMM310 adapts to any requirement, producing red clay and fly ash bricks. Meet the HX1, a revolutionary next-generation dump truck that is a game-changer for the construction industry. This 15-ton battery-powered autonomous titan isn't just moving loads. It's rewriting the future of sustainability on construction sites. Featuring hybrid electric technology, the HX1 is equipped with 4-wheel steering, giving it incredible maneuverability. The energy recovery system maximizes every watt generated, and its zero emissions makes it a clean companion for any project. The modular layout adds versatility, making the HX1 ideal for any construction task that requires power and stability. How would you feel about your feeding process being fully automated with Monarch's Mark V? It's not a fantasy but a reality. This advanced auto-drive equipped tractor independently ensures consistent and accurate feeding of your dairy herd around the clock. Forget about labor and fuel costs. The Mark V gets the job done without fatigue or extra expense. Plus, its eco-friendliness ensures a clean and healthy barn climate. Monarch Tractors continues to develop, making the feeding process not only more efficient, but also more pleasant for the environment. The Cart Caddy HD chain drive electric tug is an enhanced cart upgrade, with 2 straight and 2 front swivel casters. The new Cart Cat attached to the swivel roller provides the pushing and pulling force needed to easily turn in, maneuver the cart smoothly. The cart's powerful 3-horsepower engine can handle up to 2,000 pounds of horizontal push and pull force, eliminating the need for a forklift when towing heavy carts and equipment. The Cart Caddy HD chain drive can push or pull loads up to 50,000 pounds. Just look at the size of this bucket. Against this background, even the most robust builder seems like just a tiny ant. This isn't just a bucket, it's a real monster, capable of moving mountains in one scoop. The entire machine embodies the power and capabilities of modern technology. Imagine how much time and effort it can save on large construction or mining projects. Impressive, isn't it? Meet the Triton 560, your new best friend in pipe work. This machine handles pipes from 12 to 22 inches like a pro. Equipped with a self-contained turbo diesel engine and durable rubber tracks, it will arrive right to the action effortlessly. But the most impressive part Its 6-stage boom with 30 degrees of 30 degrees rotation and 65 inches of vertical travel. And don't forget the 360-degree rotating carriage. Imagine how it loads pipes onto the cart without requiring any extra lifting. And all under the control of a single operator, with a wireless remote. Harvesting radicchio has been made easier with Ortmex. New Radicchio Harvester Adevolator. This machine, although only half automated, makes the work of the operators in the field much easier. The workers are still involved in the process, but now they can concentrate on the quality of the harvest, while the machine takes over the hard and tedious part of the work. I'll tell you this: it accelerates the process and helps to maintain high standards when harvesting your salad plant. I love you.